Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and good. I'm so sorry I've been away for so long, but today I'm going to be getting ready for a juice fast that I did in March. It was a really good one, so I'm going to show you all the stuff that I use to fast. So yeah, I'm starting off with my fridge. I'm going to show you all the stuff in my fridge. I thought it'd be nice just to do like a little fridge tour to show you exactly what I ate or drank for the fast. So in this drawer I have apples, tangerines, limes, and I'm going to be showing you what juices I make with those later. In this drawer I have some ginger as well as some really juicy, sweet and gorgeous smelling mangoes that I absolutely love. And you know I have to have my greens. I have some parsley for my leafy green juice. I also have some mint to add like a really nice fresh taste into my juices. As well as that, I started juicing dill lately and I really like it in my green juices. So I'm going to show you, no, I don't think I'm going to show you in this video, but I'll show you in another video how I incorporate dill into my juices. Here I have a really nice fresh papaya as well as blogo bananas. I'll get into more detail about them later. I also have a dragon fruit, which I tried for the first time, ended up being really nice. And I have some berries. You can tell by the date of the expiry how long this video has been coming, but like I said, I'm so sorry guys, but hopefully you enjoy it. I also have some key limes that I got my hands on. I'll get into more detail about key limes a bit later. And for my cleanse, I bought some teas as well. I got some red raspberry leaf tea and some iron tea, which has amazing ingredients such as sarsaparilla and so many more herbs that are just great for your body. So let's get into the fast. I'm going to be showing you a few juices that I made for this fast, but here's just an overview of my fridge. So yeah, so the first juice we're going to be making today is not just any apple juice, and this has literally become one of my favorite juices of late. You guys know I love watermelon, but this juice it's neck and neck with the watermelon juice. So for this juice you're going to need some apples, some mint leaves, as well as some ginger. These are the natural ginger, the God-made ginger, not the man-made ones. And we're just going to cut them up and prep them to go in the juicer. These are organic apples, they're red apples, and they do have seeds in them. And don't be scared to juice the seeds. The seeds are just as good for you as the actual fruit. So I definitely sometimes leave the seeds in if I want just more vitality. But of course, if you don't like them, you can remove them, up to you. And then have our mint leaves and ginger ready. You guys know that ginger is great for just all-round health. It relieves toothaches, it relieves menstrual cramps, it's good for speeding up metabolism. It also promotes detoxification in the body, so it's just a great all-round ingredient to have. And apples are amazing for improving your digestion. They are a great source of vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B1, B2, B6, so many vitamins packed in apples. They also improve brain function and are great for bone health. So if you're lacking calcium, apples are great for your teeth and your bones to make them grow and just be a lot stronger and healthier. So yeah, this is an all-round healthy juice, and it just tastes amazing. When I tell you, the first time I tried this juice, it was insane. Like the mint just gives it a really nice fresh taste, as well as the apples just being really sweet, and the ginger just has that nice balanced spice to it. Here I'm just showing you how dry the pulp is. You guys know I absolutely love my juicer, and always leave the link down below if you guys want to get your hands on it as well. But yeah, I would 1000% recommend this juice. It is an amazing refresher. It's great in the morning and it just gives you ultimate vitality. I had this juice quite a lot during the week I was fasting. If I didn't get into that, I fasted for a whole week, so I didn't eat any food for a week, and I just see it as just like a body reset, just to give your body and your digestive system a break and just start again. And it just heals your body and it's just so good for you. So yeah, I would definitely recommend fasting if you're feeling ill or if you're down in the dumps. It helps just rejuvenate your body and just get you back to life. So yeah, make sure you seal your mason jars really, really tight if you want them to last a few days in the fridge. But here is the first juice. So the next juice is what I call the real Tropicana juice. I don't know if you guys live in the States, but in the UK we have this juice called Tropicana, and it's just full of unhealthy sugars, but this is just a natural way of doing it. So here I have fresh mangoes. They smell so good and they were super, super soft. That's how you know they're ripe and ready to go. Some key limes, which are basically just limes with the seeds in them. And key limes basically just work as like an internal washing machine. They're great to just eat by themselves or make them into a tea, and the fact that they have seeds in it just make them really, really alkaline and natural for the body. So they're just all round really good for you. Here I have bananas. Here I have a papaya, which is amazing for your skin. Whenever you think of orange fruits, just think of skin health. They just work so good for your skin. The seeds are edible, but I wouldn't eat too many seeds if I were you. They're good for removing parasites from the body, but just make sure you have them in moderation. Papaya is a great fruit for boosting your immunity. It is high in vitamin A and vitamin C, and it also is high in folate. So for the women that are pregnant, this is going to help with your baby's development. So you're not taking any foreign objects into your body. This is all natural and it's just good for you. Here I also have some tangerines. I bought them and I just had spare because I don't think I had oranges, so I just had spare tangerines and just thought, let me just chuck them into the juicer. But they're also really good for you. They prevent cell damage, which is a cause of cancer. So if you want to prevent your risk of cancer, they're good for you as well. So I also have some super sweet, juicy mangoes, which are just 100% alkaline and a natural antioxidant for the body. They are also high in folate as well, which are great for pregnant women and developing newborn babies. But yeah, so I'm going to chuck that all in my juicer, and the juicer works really well for thicker fruits because it just makes the juice really creamy without having excess pulp. It just basically just blends it rather than actually juicing it, and you're getting most of the fruit in your juice. So absolutely love that. So yeah, this is another juice that I had during the week of me fasting, and it was an amazing one. I feel like it really helped with my gut health, and it also helped with my skin. Like I said, orange fruits, just think skin health. They are amazing for you. Another great juice that also tastes amazing, so 1000% recommend this as well. Give it a try and let me know what you guys think. And of course, if you guys have any juices that you would recommend or any combos that you haven't seen me do before, leave them down below and I will try them as well. So next we have, it's not actually a juice, it's more of a smoothie, but this is what I call the exotic one because it's full of exotic fruits. We're trying dragon fruit for the first time and I actually really liked it. It didn't really have much of a taste. It was just more seedy, but dragon fruit is a great source of calcium, which are really good for your bones. And raspberries, when you think of red fruits, think of your heart. So red fruits are good for your heart. They're good for cardiovascular health. So if you want a better cardiovascular health, if you want a better breathing and everything like that, think red fruits, raspberries, berries, they're really good for that. And then a blogo banana is basically a 100% alkaline banana. It's a bit different from the banana that we know. It's tiny in form and it has essential minerals that basically electrify your body. And of course, we have to get in our seeds. Here I have flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and I think sunflower seeds. Seeds are just great for your all-round health. They're great for limiting parasite activity. They balance hormone levels. They also are high in omega-3 acids, which are really good for you. And they are great for dental health as well. So this is my third smoothie, or juice / smoothie. And the fourth one is what I call the berry surprise, because it's just full of berries. And as you know, as I mentioned before, berries are just so good for you. They're great for like the first thing in the morning. If you eat berries, they're just great for your digestive health. They also support skin health and fight against stress and anxiety, and they're loaded with vitamin C. So I also added Blogo banana in there as well. And I didn't have any almond milk, hence me using water, but whatever you're most comfortable with, yeah, just juice whatever you like, as long as it's getting in your body. So yeah, that is the fourth, I believe, I might be wrong, fourth juice, and it just tastes so good and so refreshing, so creamy, and it's just the best thing to have first thing in the morning. So yeah, that is another juice for you. This is what my fridge looked like before, and I didn't really show you my green juices because I've showed you the recipe for that before, but here is the after of all my juices ready for my week of fasting. So I have water, I have green juices, I have my fruit juices, and a few other whole fruits that I'm gonna blend later on as we finish the juices in the fridge. Maybe in my next video I'll go into more detail with the herbs and stuff that I have in my fridge, and of course you guys know that I have my lime juice for deodorant. But there it is, guys, that is my juice fast ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it inspired you. Definitely give it a try, give your body a break from digestion and just kind of give your body like a reset, and just give yourself a little fast. It's really good for you, honestly. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.